you want to show the nap without the map. Sometimes you want to show the YouTube video with the nap and with the map. That's entirely up to you. Again, there's no right way or wrong way to do this. Could I have the nap, the map, and the YouTube video in every single video, in every single post? Yes. There's not enough of them for it to cause a proper long-term problem. Okay, as I said, we're only creating 10, 15, 20 tier 1 links in this campaign. So you're not having massive red flags to Google. That's obviously not my video, so I'm going to take that out. But you can see here that there's stuff that we can do to get creative to really get good links. Now, notice what I'm doing with this when I'm building links specifically to my local business, okay? Because I want to help it with ranking in the maps, and I want to help it with ranking in local, okay? The link pointing back to the website is just the company name. It's got the nap and it's got the embedded map. I'm not going to put any other links in this article specifically. I just want to keep this exactly as it is for now. Right? People might be asking me about anchor text diversity and what should I be doing, but when we go through the other training videos, I'll be talking to you more about the different types of anchor text, etc. I want all of you just to get familiar with building a campaign that looks something like this to start with, and just getting a feel for the software and understanding it. Because regardless of whether you do this for affiliate or lead gen or your own sites, or you're trying to rank YouTube videos, this is still going to be super beneficial for you. You're going to be creating good quality blog posts that have got your YouTube video embedded in, or it's got your nap embedded in it. It's linking back to your website. One of the things that you might want to do with this that could be beneficial for you if you're rolling out an SEO strategy, especially for local, is you might choose to include, I might say also, remember to spin this, check us out on social media. Okay, I might write that underneath. I'd spin that. So don't forget to check us out. Don't forget to follow us on. Don't forget, yeah, etc. And then I could say Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, okay, YouTube, for example. Okay. And then all I need to do with this is link to my Facebook page, link to my Twitter page, link to my LinkedIn, link to my YouTube. And remember, again, that might be one variation where I stick links to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube on that article. The next one, I might just have a link to Facebook. The next one, I might just have a link to YouTube. Okay, there's no right or wrong way to do this, by the way, guys. All we're doing is getting one link pointing back to our website, and then if we've got a YouTube video, we're embedding it. But seeing as we've paid for this content anyway and we're getting some links, we might as well try and steal another couple of links in this same post. Okay, the reason why I'm not going to do it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube every single time is I'm trying to make these articles look somewhat unique. Okay, I might link to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn on one, only to Google My Business on another. Mix it up, because we want Google to believe that whoever created these blogs and link back to our website did it because they love us. They didn't do it because it was us that created it using some software. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Again, guys, just put a 1 in the chat box if you're following along with all of this so far. I want to make sure everybody's I'd like to make sure that this is clear. Is there a definition of tier 1 link, tier 2 link, i.e. does a tier 1 link directly to the website money site, whereas tier 2 links only? Okay, perfect. So that's exactly right. Okay, tier 1 basically means it's pointing back to the website. Okay, you're going to get to see my amazing skills right now at drawing, right? So this is the money site. Any